No one knows he exists.
No one knows how to kill Dracula.
No one knows its secrets.
Where did they go?
No one knows.
No one knows you're here, so keep as quiet as possible.
Where did he go?
No one knows.
What happened to her?
No one knows.
There is a vigilante in this city and no one knows, but I do.
No one knows what happened. Total media blackout.
So I'm guessing he doesn't know where she is.
No one knows where she is.
We're safe. No one knows we're here. Just relax.
He could go back and alter events, change time. But no one knows but him.
No one knows of your relationship with him, because after all, you're not actually father and daughter, are you?
What happens when I read it?
No one knows, but legend says you will be able to hear a butterfly's wing beat.
Whoa, really?
The temperature will keep rising till it reaches 1,000 degrees. And
what?
no one knows.
No one can predict the future. No one knows what's going to happen.
I do.
Well, if you could, you'd know you were going to get that.
I knew you'd say that.
What's that one?
It's the evil one. The cloud breather.
It is ancient, drawn before our time. No one knows for sure what it is, except that death is said to follow it.